everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft 365 Certified Teams Administrator Associate MS-700. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, how would you ensure data governance and compliance that chat messages and files shared in Teams? Your answer should be data governance and compliance in team involves setting up retention policies to retain or delete chat messages and file based on organizational requirements, configuring DLP data loss prevention policies to prevent unauthorized sharing of sensitive data and using e-discovery tools to search and export Teams data for legal purposes. The next question is, describe your approach to educating end users about best practices for using Microsoft Teams. Your answer should be, educating end users involves creating user guides, conducting training sessions, and providing online resources to help users to understand Teams features and functionalities. It is important to emphasize security practices, ethics in Teams communications, and efficient collaboration methods. Our next question is, how do you monitor and report on Teams usage and adoption within an organization? Your answer should be, monitoring Teams usage and adoption can be done using Teams Admin Center dashboard, where you can view usage reports, active users and trends. You can also use PowerShell commands to extract detailed usage data and generate custom reports for management. Our next question is, what are the considerations for implementing and managing Teams policies in a multi-geo environment? Your answer should be, in a multi-geo environment, you need to consider regional data residency requirements, compliance regulations, and user access policies. You can configure separate policies based on geographical locations, ensuring consistency while adhering to local regulations. Our next question is, how do you handle incidents and escalations related to Microsoft Teams services? Your answer should be, handling incidents involves promptly identifying and accessing service disruptions or performance issues, escalating critical incidents to Microsoft support if needed, and communicating updates and resolutions to affected users and stakeholders. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Our next question is, can you explain the process of configuring security and compliance features specifically for Microsoft Teams meetings? Your answer should be, configuring security and compliance features for Microsoft Teams include setting up meeting policies to control attendee permissions, enabling meeting options like lobby settings and recording policies, and configuring compliance features such as transcription and live event permissions. Our next question is, how would you handle a situation where Teams users report issues with accessing or using specific features? Your answer should be, when users report issues, I would first gather detailed information about the problem, including error messages and effective users. Then I would check the Microsoft 365 Admin Center for service health status and recent updates. If needed, I would analyze logs or usage reports to identify the root cause and escalate the Microsoft support if it is service related issues. Our next question is, explain the process of setting up and managing Teams policies using PowerShell. Your answer should be PowerShell allows for bulk configuration and management of Teams policies. To set up policies, you can use PowerShell CMD LTS to create new policies, assign policies for users or groups, and modify policy settings such as messaging, meeting, and guest access configuration. For example, to create a new messaging policies, please have a look at the example. And to assign the policy to a user, please have a look at the example. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.